Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to lock individual chats in WhatsApp. So let's dive in. Now, if you don't know, WhatsApp has a built-in feature called Locked Chat that lets you protect specific conversations using your phone's security like fingerprint, Face ID, or passcode. And this is perfect if you want extra privacy for certain chats without locking the entire app. Now, to do this, go ahead and log in to your WhatsApp. Then from here, you're going to have to choose a chat or a conversation. What you need to do here is press and hold. Then you go ahead and tap the three dot icon at the upper right corner of the screen. And from here, you should see the option to lock the chat. So go ahead and press that. Hit continue. Then use your PIN or fingerprint. That's it. Now you know how to lock individual chats in WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!